Melt-in-your-mouth Honeynut Squash, prepared in seconds. Start by cutting off the tops of your squash. Now slice them in half from the bottom down. It's easier that way. Scoop out the stringy parts with a spoon. Save the seeds for roasting if you like. Honeynut squash is smaller and sweeter than butternut squash. It's also much easier to slice. Place the squash facing up on a tray and sprinkle generously with salt and pepper. Add some rosemary and thyme leaves for extra flavor. If you're finding our video helpful, please give us a like and share our recipe with your friends. Now drizzle on some olive oil. That's it for your prep. Roast in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it should look golden, like this. Remove the rosemary leaves. Your squash is ready to eat. It's so tender and flavorful, the perfect side dish. If you liked our Honeynut Squash video, we think you'll love this one too.